to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of polo, porpoise and compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, to set up and start use, to train the user, to hand over the finished product to the client. Maintenance. When there is a chemical supply present, check the emergency shower functions. Yes, turn it on. This is simple but very important. This must be functioning before undertaking any work on chemical systems. Check the contents of the safety cupboard. Is all the safety gear there? You will need to wear this when working on chemical systems. For further support, please contact us.